Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of refresh your memory on how to go into Mastery Connect and turn on the Benchmark 1 assessments so that they're available for students, and also how to go in and turn on the reader for any new students who may have enrolled since giving the pretest. So you just go to Clever. Once you get logged into Clever, you'll go down to the Mastery Connect icon, click on it. Okay, once it gets pulled up, your page will look a little bit different. I'm going to go in as an admin and log in as a teacher. I'm going to log in as Miss Kelly. So I'm going to log in as Miss Kelly. Okay, so when you log in, your page will look something like this. So to get to the benchmarks, you just click the little tab here that says benchmarks, and it's going to show all of her homerooms, and it will. So since she does reading and math, she's going to have a math one here, and she also has two readings. And here is the reason why. If you teach third, fourth, or fifth grade ELA, then you will have a part two. So see, here's her part one. This is the multiple choice section. This one is the part two. That is a constructed response. So you can turn those on at the same time. You can assess those on different days. It should just be one question, and it's only for ELA third, fourth, and fifth grade. It's not for math. It's not for science. It's not for social studies. So it's only one question that they will have to type out their answer. And honestly, Carla has not told us how that will be scored. It's a totally different assignment here. So it probably will not even be counted in towards their actual benchmark one score, because I believe you'll have to go in and then score that. It might just be for extra practice. So I will give you all more guidance on that as soon as I am given more guidance on that. So for right now, we'll just focus on the ones that say part one. Okay, so if Miss Kelly wants to go in and have her kids to do the math test, she will have to turn it on so that all of her students will be able to see that when they log into Mastery Connect. So to do that, you just hit this assess button. Once you click it, you need to move this little X over to where that turns green, and that will show that it's made available on the student portal. So that means if Miss Kelly's students logged in right now to Mastery Connect, it will show that their math test benchmark 1 is ready for them to start. I'm going to go ahead and turn that back off so that her kids cannot somehow get into there until she's ready for that. And then you would do the same thing for the language arts. You just click here, assess, you'll just turn it on so that's available for them. So that's how you will turn on the test. You will have to turn that green button on in order for it to show up for the students on their Clever on Mastery Connect. Okay, so here is how you go in and turn on a reader for any new students. Now, we sat in PLCs one day and we turned on all of those readers for only math, science, and social studies. Do not turn on your readers for ELA. So just to go in and check, I'm going to click on Miss Kelly's third grade math, and it will bring up her roster with all the student names. Okay, so what you can do is click on the edit button. Let's say that Lainey was a new student. We can click right here where it says edit. See, hers is already turned on. So if you have any new students, you may just want to go through and check your roster. Make sure that that little box is checked. I can uncheck it, but make sure it's checked, and then you have to hit save. Okay, in order for it to save that text to speech for that particular student. So you'll just go through, check your roster for any new students, and you will have to turn on the reader for those new students. And that's only for math, science, and social studies. Okay, so if you have any questions as you get started, or if you need me to help you um, go through and just make sure you're doing it correctly, feel free to call me, send me an email, send me a text, and I will be sure to help out with that. The window closes for the benchmark one on Friday, the 22nd. So you have until then to get all of your students assessed. So if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help. You all have a great day.